Hey guys, this is Mark with Mr. Hurricane Tracker. I just want to talk about what's going on in the Eastern and Atlantic, uh, the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. Right now, we have a possible development of a tropical depression in the Caribbean Sea area. As you see, this is very well defined for right now, but it is moving northward, and its possible for development is less than 30%. So it's not much of possibility that it will turn into a tropical depression, but we will still be watching it. And we also have one in the Atlantic Sea that's right behind it that we're looking at. It also has a less than 30% chance of development. I also want to show a couple of different radars imagery that I do have for that location. Right now, I do have the information from the National Hurricane Center showing that these two development storm systems are at a low risk for turning into a tropical depression, but we will still be watching both storms. The closest one, especially in the Caribbean Sea, because that one is moving northward towards the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll keep an eye on that. The first imagery of the radars that I like to show is going to be the North Atlantic infrared loop from the NOAA.gov website, and this one shows the Atlantic and the Eastern Sea, which we're looking at the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Sea for both storms that we're watching on Google just a few seconds ago. And these two storms again are just 30% chance or less than 30% chance that they will become tropical depressions. But the one in the Caribbean Sea has a pretty good possibility that it will become a tropical depression and probably nothing more. So we're going to take another look. This one is through Intellicast.com. This one's actually showing what's going on with Hurricane Rick and showing how the hurricane itself is already dissipating, but still not dissipating as much as they expected. The storm is still a strong storm and still holding its strength. So we're going to keep an eye on that very closely on Hurricane Rick. Again, please subscribe, please rate on the videos, and comment. And thank you very much for watching Mr. Hurricane Tracker, and stay tuned for more updates to come.